DIY Rosemary Toner for hair growth. Boost your hair naturally. Are you struggling with hair fall, thinning, or slow hair growth? This DIY Rosemary Toner is your natural solution. Rosemary is packed with antioxidants, promotes blood circulation to the scalp, strengthens hair follicles, and helps reduce dandruff. Learn how to make this easy and effective hair growth toner at home and unlock healthier, thicker hair naturally. Why this Rosemary Toner works: stimulates hair growth by increasing blood flow to hair follicles, strengthens roots and reduces hair breakage, soothes scalp irritation and controls dandruff, adds shine and softness to dull, lifeless hair, balances oil production for all hair types. How to make DIY Rosemary Hair Growth Toner. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh rosemary leaves, or 2 tablespoons dried rosemary, 2 cups filtered water, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Optional, helps with scalp pH balance. 3 to 5 drops rosemary essential oil. Optional, boosts potency. Step-by-step method. 1. Boil the water. In a saucepan, bring 2 cups of filtered water to a boil. 2. Add rosemary. Add the fresh or dried rosemary leaves. Turn off the heat and let it steep for 15 to 20 minutes. 3. Strain the mixture. Once cooled, strain the rosemary water into a clean bowl, removing the leaves. 4. Enhance with extras. Optional, add apple cider vinegar for scalp health and a few drops of rosemary essential oil for an extra boost. 5. Store properly. Pour into a spray bottle or airtight jar for easy application. How to use Rosemary Hair Toner. Daily scalp mist. Spray onto your scalp twice a day, morning and night, and gently massage. Hair rinse. After shampooing, pour over hair as a final rinse for extra shine. Leave-in treatment. Spray onto damp hair before styling for nourishment. Shelf life and storage. Refrigerated, lasts 1 week in the fridge. Room temperature. If stored in a cool, dark place, it lasts 3 to 4 days, without preservatives. Pro tip: freeze in ice cube trays for longer shelf life. Just thaw a cube as needed. Who can use this? All hair types: curly, straight, wavy, thick, or fine. Those with hair loss, dandruff, or slow growth. People with oily or dry scalps. Balances sebum production. Men and women of all ages. Who should avoid it? Pregnant or breastfeeding women, due to the potency of rosemary oil. People with rosemary allergies. Those with extremely sensitive scalps. Test a small patch first. If you have medical conditions like epilepsy or high blood pressure, consult a doctor before using essential oils. This DIY Rosemary Hair Toner is a game changer for natural hair care. Consistent use can lead to thicker, healthier, and shinier hair without harmful chemicals. Try it out and share your results in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY beauty tips.